Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Docents Digitalis TV. In today's video, we're going to introduce the English for Beginners 1-week challenge. This is a fun and effective way to improve your English skills in just 7 days. Each day, we'll focus on different topics and simple tasks to help you practice and build your confidence. Are you ready to take the challenge? Let's get started. On the first day, you'll practice introducing yourself and greeting others in English. Here are a few key phrases to learn. Hello, my name is your name. Nice to meet you. How are you today? Take time today to practice these phrases with friends or in front of a mirror to get comfortable with them. Today's challenge is all about numbers and telling time. You'll practice saying numbers from 1 to 100 and telling the time in English. Try phrases like, what time is it? It's 10:30 a.m. I have 2 sisters. Practice using numbers in real-life situations like talking about time, prices, or quantities. For day 3, you'll practice ordering food and drinks in English. Head to a cafe or role-play with a friend, using phrases like, can I get a coffee, please? I'd like a pizza with extra cheese. How much is the sandwich? Ordering food is a useful skill, so get comfortable with these expressions. On day 4, you'll learn how to describe everyday objects. Focus on simple adjectives and phrases like, the book is heavy. My phone is small and black. This chair is very comfortable. Practice describing things around you to improve your vocabulary. Today, you'll practice talking about your daily activities. Use phrases like, I wake up at 7 a.m. I go to work at 9 a.m. and finish at 5 p.m. In the evening, I like to relax and watch TV. This will help you describe your daily habits in English. For day 6, the focus is on asking for and giving directions. Here are some key phrases to use. Excuse me, how do I get to the train station? It's on the left, next to the park. Go straight, then turn right. Practice these phrases by asking friends or family for directions to practice. On the final day of the challenge, you'll review everything you've learned and practice having a short conversation. Try putting it all together. Hello, my name is your name. How are you? I'd like to order a coffee, please. Can you tell me how to get to the nearest cafe? This will help you use the skills you've built throughout the week in a real conversation. By completing this 1-week challenge, you'll build a strong foundation in English and improve your confidence in speaking. Remember to practice every day, and you'll be amazed at how much progress you can make. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Docents Digitalis TV for more fun and practical English challenges. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep practicing, and happy learning!